Hi, I'm Lollo from Atom. In this video, I'll show you how to use load and unload crew actions in Atom. Let's start. For the first, we create a new route and we set the trigger with I select instant, cycle I leave empty. Then I select a fleet. I select the nice fleet, the starbase. Okay, now when we click on add action, in the right sidebar you can see there are two new actions, load crew and unload crew. If you drag and drop load crew action inside the Atom editor, you can see that now there is a new action called load crew, where you can set the number of crew member you want to embark inside the fleet. So here you can see that there are some useful info about your current crew in the fleet. In my case, there are 65 required crew and 0 passengers, and the capacity left is 46 of 111 seats. So I have 46 seats available that can I use to bring 46 passengers from a starbase to another one. In my case, I have 30 available crew in my starbase, and I set in the crew to embark input, for example, 10 crew members. After that, the action is complete, so we can add a new action to complete our route. After that, I add a new action and at this time I select unload the crew. So now we have the unload crew action, and here in the unload crew action it is similar to load crew action, but in this case we have an extra checkbox allow to unload required crew advanced. If you select this checkbox, you give to Atom the ability to unload also the required crew for the fleet to work properly. It's an advanced option because if you select this and disembark all the required crew member in a fleet, the fleet stop working properly. It will not undock from the starbase, so you can't use it. So be careful when you select allow to load the required crew, but it will be very useful for crafting operation. Crafting is not available in Atom yet, but it's definitely a feature that is in development. So when it will be available, you can, for example, start a craft and wait for it to finish. Okay, I uncheck this option, but and then I set the crew to disembark. I load 10 crew member here, so here I set 10 crew member to disembark in mode 2 starbase. Okay, then I need to come back, so we have finished to set up the passenger route. So we are ready to start this route. To do that, you have to click here and then start route. After a few seconds, the route starts, and if we go to Sage Starbase and we wait for a few seconds, we can see that currently I have already embarked the crew in the fleet, so the fleet is ready to start warping. Okay, the fleet starts its trip. So in a few seconds it will arrive in mode 2, and then it disembark 10 crew member. At the moment the crew member in the fleet are 75, and after unload crew it will be 65 crew members. So it's the MICE fleet arrived in mode 2. We wait for a few seconds again to dock and see the crew unloading from the fleet. That's happened right now in a very few seconds, and so the fleet it's ready to come back. You can also use the load and load crew action in other routes with other action like mining, load cargo, unload cargo for freight operations, and in the near future you can use it with crafting operations in Atom. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon.